Potato harvest time. The truck's getting in position. It's got, those are all potatoes in case you can see or not. So this one is actually digging the potatoes out and putting them in a nice little, wish I could see it better, but in a row so the other truck can pick them up. So this one takes the potatoes and puts them in a nice little pile. I don't know if you can see right there. See, there's a little pile right there. Just going through there. Making a pile for the other truck. And here comes the potato truck. There they go. Can't really tell, but there's a conveyor belt there. It's picking up stuff. And it's filling up the potatoes. And obviously emptying the dirt in the back there. But yeah, that's the potato harvest. Maybe we'll be able to see it in a second, the angle. Man, I got a singing virtuoso down there. Doing some pianoing, not piano, guitaring.